YouTube, man. What's the word, y'all? Back at y'all with another video. I don't even know if y'all can hear me because I got the AC kicking. But y'all, it is extremely hot outside today. I won't lie to y'all. It was even hotter yesterday. It was like 101 yesterday, and today the high is 98. But it's humid. It's not just hot. It's just humid. So it's even worse. But today I'm back at y'all with another POV drive, man. E39 content has been kind of slow. Just off the simple fact I haven't had really anything really to post for y'all. I do have something coming for the car though that will make the car look a lot better. Well, not a lot better, but it'll make it look I think a lot more aggressive. So that's coming, that's on the way. I don't know when that'll be here, but when it is, just know there will be a video dropping for that. But yeah, man, I'm just trying to give y'all a quick POV drive. I'm about to head to the mall real quick and see if I can pick up a couple of pieces of clothes, man. I'm here at college and I have clothes, but I just need a little more. It's not like a whole bunch that I need. I just need like a couple more outfits, you know, just to have, you know, to run around. Like, I got like dress up outfits, like, because if y'all don't already know, I like to get dressed. Like, I'm kind of, I guess you could say I'm kind of sort of into fashion. Like, I really mess with getting dressed and stuff. So yeah, man, try to pick up a couple pieces. If I don't pick up anything, I'll low-key be disappointed, but it's all good. I don't need it. It's just something that would be great to have. So yeah, I'm gonna just take y'all with me. Speaking of how hot it is outside, I actually need to check. I need to check the coolant in this car because I want to make sure the car is not overheating or anything. It hasn't been going past the middle here on the gauge. I don't know if y'all can even see where I'm pointing at, but it hasn't gone past it like it is overheating, but I still want to make sure because it's, man, if y'all were here in if y'all were here in St. Louis, you would know exactly what I'm talking about. Like, it is just hot for no reason, you know? So I'm gonna try not to do too many pulls in the car because of how hot it is. I don't really want to rip on the car. But yeah, this is almost kind of like just taking y'all with me shopping at the store kind of thing. Oh my, what's happening? Oh, what's happening? Also, let me know in the comments down below, man, what do y'all think about the E92 M3s, man? I've been really looking at them and doing research, and I'm starting to kind of fall in love. So I don't know if that maybe if I should do that for my next BMW. I was already kind of looking at the E92s in general. I was looking at the 335s. But man, I'm starting to kind of fall in love with the M3s, man. And I've always been an M5 kind of guy. M4s and M5s. So that's always been my kind of thing. But man, it's something about the E92 M3. It's just the whole body style, the way it looks. It's just so timeless. It definitely hasn't lost its look. And on top of that, man, the V8 engine in that car, man, oh my gosh, it's so sick. I'll probably correct myself while I'm editing this video, but I believe it's the S65. I will definitely be correcting myself if I'm wrong. I don't want the BMW goons to come after me, but yeah, bro, those things are sick, yo. I think I'm gonna forever be a Beamer guy, for sure. I think I have to get over. Don't know. Do I have to get over? Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be, it's pretty busy right now. Even though it's only going on 2:30, it's still gonna be pretty busy just off the fact that it's almost time for people to get off work. So yeah, y'all should see these highways whenever it gets like 4 o'clock, 4:30. I mean, it's you're gonna be stuck in traffic for a minute. Because once it hits, there's something about once it hits 4 o'clock, it's just like traffic, it's like traffic comes out of nowhere. Can't lie. Let me actually check this real quick, because this is not safe. Don't do this at home. This is not safe at all. We're good though. Alright. So we're basically here. I don't know if I'm gonna record me in here, because I don't know if y'all want to see that type of content. I bite though, just to get just to switch it up, give y'all something different. Man, I don't know how I'm gonna get all the way over here. Oh no, I'm gonna get all the way over. I might get stuck. I might. Got this guy right here. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get over. I swear, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get over. We're gonna try. Hopefully this car. Alright, cool. Yeah, I'm sure if you're from St. Louis, you know exactly where I'm at. I'm actually gonna go park. I'm gonna go park in the garage because my car has been sitting outside for basically the whole time I've been at college. So also, I don't know if the video is picking up that noise, but I am getting like a popping noise. like a popping noise in the front. Like whenever I turn, sometimes like it'll do it, or when I brake and then do that and let off the brake and then go, like it'll do it, like it just did it. Yeah, I don't know, I don't know why it's doing that. It just did it again. Probably gonna have to do my research on that. Oh, actually, now that I'm thinking about it, one thing that is, and I just did it again. I don't know why I always bump the camera whenever I do this. I always hit the camera whenever I'm trying to like park or something. But yeah, all right. I'm probably gonna end this video here. Or I lied. I said I was gonna take y'all with me to look at some of the stuff. I might just to lengthen out the video. It's already a pretty decent, decently long video, but I'll take y'all with me just in case I do find something or pick up something. I'll definitely show y'all whatever I pick up. So y'all, so I'm back. Just got back from running in there. Didn't find anything, I'm not gonna lie. Inventory was not that good, so I'm probably just gonna end this video here. I don't want to do too much driving. I don't want to do too much more driving, just because this video is already probably long. It's probably already like over 10 minutes. So I'm probably just gonna end this video here, man. You know, I appreciate all y'all love and support, man. Appreciate y'all for watching this video. I know this is kind of like a just do whatever kind of video, and I just kind of made do. So appreciate y'all for watching once again. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and if you liking this content, man, what are you doing, bro? Check out the channel, man. I got plenty of videos on E39 stuff. I got more E39 content coming. Yeah, man, if you enjoy these videos, subscribe, bro. I mean, it just helps out the channel. It pushes my videos more out with the algorithm. So appreciate y'all once again.
I used to daydream watching them niggas on TV. I get mad when I think all niggas was trim really young and I'm having think God I'm alive. Bitch, I ain't cried since OG died. Got me some money and niggas start begging and bitches start sending me more hard eyes. I'm giving testimony.